Good morning, children. Children, today we learn about magic squares and role of magic square in our life. How to make this magic square we will learn in this video. A magic square is a special arrangement of numbers in a grid where every row, every column and both diagonals add to the same total. This total is called magic sum. And how to get this magic sum? Let's see on the magic square. See this magic square of 3 by 3. So when we have to fill the number in this magic square, the rule is we have to fill all the numbers from 1 to 9. There is no repetition of number. Sum of every row, column, every diagonal should be same. Let's check. Row 1 has the sum 8 plus 1 plus 6. Sum is 15. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15. 4 plus 9 plus 2, it is 15. Now, if we check the sum for the column, 8 plus 3 plus 4. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 9, 15. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. So, here in every row, every column, sum is 15. Now we check it diagonally. 8 plus 5 plus 2. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Let's check another diagonal. 6 plus 5 plus 4, 15. So, do you know? We are getting the number sum as 15 because the middle number is here 5. If middle number is 5, we are getting 3 times of this middle number as the magic sum. So magic sum means 3 multiply middle number. So now let's learn how to create this magic square. To make the magic square, you have to follow this rule that is given in this table. First of all, you will take the middle number that is m. Now, the corner numbers, left corner number is taken as m plus 3. Then right corner number on the bottom is taken as m minus 3. Here we are taking m plus 3. Here we are taking m minus 3. Then if we look at the right top corner, here we have taken m plus 1 and left lower corner number is m minus 1. So if you are taking here m plus 1, here we are taking m minus 1. Same, we are taking in the middle column, this is m minus 4 and then m plus 4. And middle row numbers are here m minus 2, m plus 2. M minus 2 on the left middle number and right middle number is m plus 2. So this is the rule to make a magic square of 3 by 3 grid. Middle number is m, and if you are taking left top diagonal number m plus 3, then right bottom diagonal number is m minus 3. So what we are observing, that sum is here 3m. M plus 1, m minus 1, sum is here 3m. So whenever we create the magic square, sum of each row, each column will be 3 times of middle number m. So magic sum will be 3m. Now the first ever 4 by 4 magic square, this famous 4 by 4 magic square from ancient India is called the Chautisa Yantra. found in the Parshvanath Jain temple in Khujaro. Chautisa means 34 and Hindi meaning of Chautisa is 34. So 34 is the sum of each row, each column, each diagonal in this Chautisa yantra. If we look at the sum in the row, we are getting row 1, 7 plus 12 plus 1 plus 14. This is 34. If we look at the column 1 sum, this is 7 plus 2, 9 plus 16, 25 plus 9, 34. If we look at the diagonal number, top left to bottom right. So it is 7 plus 13 plus 10 plus 4. So it is 34. And if we look at the diagonal 14 plus 8 plus 3 plus 9, this is again 34. So sum of each row, each column, each diagonal is 34 in this Chautisa yantra. In this Chautisa yantra, if we look at the corner numbers are here 7, 14, 9 and 4. Sum of these, it is again 34. 7 plus 14, 21. 21 plus 4, 25. 25 plus 9, 34. If we look at the corner numbers, sum is 34. Now if we look at the center number 2 by 2 square, 13 plus 8 plus 3 plus 10, again we get sum as 34. So same position in different row, again we have the sum 34. If we look the sum, these sum all are 34. In this way, if we look towards row, sum will be 34. So this is called Chautisa yantra, and sum of each row, each column, each diagonal is 34. Now let's learn about Navgraha yantras that have 3 by 3 magic square connecting planets and rituals. And all of you people have been observed in the worship or any religious activity, we worship about all these Navgraha yantras. Navgraha yantras represent 9 planets. So first here we have the Mercury. How this is the magic square? In this magic square, we have middle number is 8. And sum of all the numbers is 24. If we add all these numbers, 9 plus 4 plus 11. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 11, 24. 10 plus 8 plus 6, 24. 5 plus 12 plus 7 is 24. And in this way, if we add 9 plus 10 plus 5, 24. 4 plus 8 plus 12, 24. 11 plus 6 plus 7, this is 24. So we are getting the sum in diagonal is 24. 11 plus 8 plus 5 is 24. So this magic sum number is 3 times of this middle number. Middle number is here 8. So 8 3s are 24. So each row, each column, each diagonal has the sum 24. Next Navgraha yantra, we have the Venus. In Venus, the middle number is 10. So sum of each row, each column and each diagonal will be 30 here. Let's check 1, 11, plus 12 plus 7. Sum is here 30. If we check the sum 11 plus 6 plus 13, we get sum as 30. So, Venus is a magic square in which each row, each column, each diagonal sum is 30. If we look at the magic square of moon, here middle number is 6. So sum of each row, each column, each diagonal will be 18. If we look at the Jupiter magic square, here middle number is 9. So sum of each magic row will be 27. In the magic square of Sun, middle number is 5. So sum will be 3 5s are 15. Here in the magic square of Mars, middle number is 7. So sum will be 7 3s are 21. If we look at the Ketu planet magic square, here middle number is 13. So sum will be 39 for each row, each column, each diagonal. For Saturn, middle number is 11, sum will be 33. For Rahu, middle number is 12, sum of each row, each column, each diagonal will be 36. This is the Kuber Yantra. The Kuber Yantra is a sacred diagram associated with Lord Kuber, the deity of wealth. It often contains a magic square inside it. On Diwali, at every home, this yantra get worshipped. So in this Kuber yantra, the numbers are written, that is again forms the magic square. In this magic square, middle number is 24 and 24 3s are 72. So sum of each row, each column, each diagonal will be 72. Let's check 27. In first row 27, 20 plus 25. Sum is 72. 22 plus 24 plus 26. Sum is 72. 23 plus 28 plus 21. Sum is 72. If we check it for the column, again 27 plus 22 plus 23, sum is 72. If we check for the second row, second column, 20 plus 24 plus 28, it will be 72. 25 plus 26 plus 21, it is again 72. If we check it for diagonally, in diagonal, sum will be 27 plus 24 plus 21, 72. 25 plus 24 plus 23, it is again 72. So, here sum of the Kuber Yantra, that is 72. Magic square in history and culture. Where else are magic squares found? Children, this is a magic square. This kind of magic squares we find in our history and culture. Many where such kind of numbers are written. So where else are magic square found? Let's know about it. Magic squares have been studied in India, Japan, China, Central Asia and Europe. Ancient India produced 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5 and larger magic square using clever methods. They appear in art, architecture and religious diagram, that is yantras. Ancient magic square. Now, ancient magic square in India temples. A 3 by 3 magic square appears on a pillar in a temple in Pelani, Tamil Nadu, dating back to the 8th century CE. Magic square are used in Navgraha Yantra and others household or religious symbol connecting them with planet and rituals. Now this is called Losho Square, the oldest known 3 by 3 magic square. According to legend, a turtle from the low river had a 3 by 3 grid on its back containing number 1 to 9 is a special pattern. So this Losho square numbers are able to check the personality of a person as we have the horoscope. The next part we have nature's favorite sequence, the Viranka Fibonacci numbers. A well-known sequence begins 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. Each number after the first two is the sum of the two preceding numbers. This list is called the Fibonacci sequence in the West and the Viranka number in India. It appears widely in plants and music. Discovery and origin. Surprisingly, this sequence first appeared in the study of poetry, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu, and other Indian traditions. Poets composed rhythms using short syllables, one beat, and long syllable, two beats. They asked, in how many ways can we fill a line of poetry with n beats using short and long syllables? Short syllables, one beat. Long syllable, two beats. So, by using n beats, we are getting here Fibonacci number. So let's see in this table ways to write number of beats using one syllable or two syllable. So if number of beat is here 1, so different ways to write here only 1. If we have number of beats 2, we can write it in different way as 1 plus 1, short plus short, and only long syllable. So number of ways are here 2. Then if we need beats 3, then there are 3 ways to write. We can write it as, we can take it as 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. So there is the 3 ways to write. Then if we need 4 beats, it can be written in 5 ways. Either we write 4 times 1, or we can write 1 plus 1 plus 2, or we can write 1 plus 2 plus 1. 1 means short syllable, 2 means long syllables. So next we have 2 plus 1 plus 1, or we can write 2 plus 2. So here we have 5 ways if we have n beats, 4 beats. If we have 5 beats, there are 8 ways to write these beats. So number of beats are 5. We can write it as 1 plus 1 plus 1 5 times. Or we can write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. It means 3 times short syllable and 1 time long syllable. In this way, we have the 8 ways to make these 5 beats. So there are 5 ways for n is equal to 4. If number of beats are 4, there are 5 ways. And that is the fourth Fibonacci number 5. If n is equal to 5, there are 8 ways, that is fifth Fibonacci number is 8.